In this video, I'll be showing you step by step on how to find your Solana wallet address on Binance. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is go up to Binance.com and go up here and log into your account like usual. Then from here, you need to go up to the right hand corner and click on this yellow square here called deposit. Then you have 4 opportunities: either deposit crypto, P2P trading, buy crypto, or bank deposit. You need to click deposit crypto. Then from here, this page is going to be popping up. From here, you can search for your coin, and in this example, I'm going to use Solana. Then from here, you can select the network, and it's very important that you choose the correct network for this to work, or else it's not going to end. The Solana is not going to end up in your wallet. So go in and look what network your wallet is in and click on that. And as you can see here, now I click this one and I can click deposit address, and I can click get a new address because I don't have one right now. And as you can see now, Binance has created a deposit address for me, my own personal Solana address. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!